Ladies and gents, welcome back to another video. Today is going to be a quick tutorial showing you guys how to pair your 8BitDo 02 remote to an iPad so that you can do Anki flashcards very efficiently. It's an easy process, so let's get right into it. Just for context, I am on the latest version of iPad OS, which is currently 26.3, and this process works on this version as well as the older iPad OS 18, which this replaced. So first things first, let's head into settings and Bluetooth. Want to make sure Bluetooth is turned on. Then on your remote, we're going to hold down the start button and you should see the blue light begin to flash. Once we see that blue flashing light, we're going to hold down the select button and the light should begin to blink rapidly. The device is now in pairing mode and you can see Pro Controller has popped up on the iPad. We're going to go ahead and click on that. And we can see that it is connected and we got a pop-up at the top saying that the Pro Controller is connected. Okay, now we're gonna head into the Anki application and you can see I've got various decks open there. We're gonna go to the settings tab up here on the right and we're gonna click on review. Now you'll notice gamepads is an option here. We'll click on that and you can see that there are a bunch of different settings here to choose from. Now I can't remember if this is the default that comes up or if you have to go in and manually adjust it, but essentially what this is showing you is over here on the left, you have the buttons on the controller, and over here on the right is the action you want Anki to do based on the button input. So you can see we've got A, B, X, and Y on the controller, A, B, X, and Y over here on the left, and that is corresponding to these four answer options on Anki. So real quick, the way I have this set up, and personally I think this is pretty good, is I hold the remote like this, and up here, this button is gonna show me the next card. This button down here is going to undo that or show the previous card. And then these four here are going to be the various levels of difficulty or ease that I answered the card. So let me show you guys what that looks like in practice. So if we go to the Anki step deck here, so here is a question, and when I'm ready for the answer, I'll click this button here. Boom, I can see the answer, and then I have to select, obviously, how good or how bad I answered that card. So my controller corresponds with X over here being, again, A, hard, B, good, Y, easy. So let's say I did not know that at all, it was hard. I'll click on X, and it'll go to the next card. So now in this case, I'm ready to answer. I'll click right here. Let's say that one was good, I knew that. So we'll go ahead and click good, which is B. And here's the next one. Let's say I'm reading it and whoops, I accidentally clicked it. I wasn't ready for the answer. I wanna go back. We'll click this one down here, undo, and it actually takes us back to the previous card, but we can just flip through that again. And now we're ready to answer this question once again. So that's the way I have mine set up. You could probably get a little more advanced than me and add options for suspending or burying cards, but for the most part, I just use it to quickly review the cards as I go through them. Now, a little extra bit of advice. I actually have two different iPads and the controller works on both of them. You're able to pair it to two iPads. However, switching between them is a little bit of a hassle. What you have to do is you have to go into the Bluetooth settings and then forget the device on one iPad and then pair it again on the other one. And you kind of have to do that back and forth. But if you're just using this on a single iPad, you just pair it once and the Bluetooth controller should be good to go each time. So after you've paired it the first time, and let's say you're ready to do some flashcards again, your controller is turned off, all you have to do to turn it on and pair is you just hold down the start button. It'll blink for a few seconds, and then once it's connected, that light will stay solid blue, and you can see up here, Pro Controller is connected, and then the controller is ready to start doing flashcards with you. So you can just fly through them and answer these cards much more efficiently, and it's a little bit easier. Especially, for example, if you're doing this on the treadmill, you can prop the iPad up and then you can walk and just hold the remote and then do the flashcards that way instead of having to touch the screen each time you want to flip the card and answer it. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. Leave me some comments down below if you run into any problems or if you have any extra advice for people as they go through these steps. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, I look forward to seeing you in another one of my videos.